I've had a lot of people say to me, Chris, why ITIL version 5 now and who made that decision? Well, welcome to ITIL in 60 seconds. ITIL 5 didn't appear overnight, and it definitely wasn't built in isolation. This evolution is shaped by a global community of professionals who've been applying ITIL in the real world for decades. Millions of practitioners, thousands of organizations, countless lessons learned across industries, cultures, and levels of maturity. And that matters more than people realize, because frameworks don't succeed just because they're well designed. They succeed because people actually trust them enough to use them. And ITIL is trusted precisely because it evolves based on experience and not theory. Every update reflects what actually worked in practice, and just as importantly, what didn't. ITIL 5 refines what delivered value, simplifies what caused confusion, and expands to meet the realities of a digital, fast-moving world. It balances innovation with stability, flexibility with structure, automation with accountability. And this is the shift. It's not trying to replace what came before. ITIL 5 doesn't replace ITIL 4. It's building on it. At its core, ITIL version 5 is still about people working together to create value. Just now in a world shaped by cloud, DevOps, and AI. And that's what gives it its staying power. Not perfection, but continuous evolution, grounded in real-world experience. Now that trust, that's its superpower. That's ITIL in 60 seconds.